I haven't made it some time. Well, so this is gonna be fun. I think I'm gonna play some Mercenary. So, this is probably one of my first record. Well, this is my first recording. So, everyone's gonna have a good day. I really do hope everyone is having a genuine good day. I hope it goes well. I have no idea what I'm gonna be doing for recording. So, yeah. Also, sorry for terrible mic quality, it's not my fault. I've never recorded, so I don't know what's good and what's not. You gotta let me know. Not bad. Wish I had better items, but I'll just keep what I got. This is gonna be a first of many. If I can get recording on other things and, you know, do stuff with others, it'd be very nice. I don't know if there's gonna be any fancy schmancy edits. I think it's just gonna be what it is. Might restart, I don't know. Probably best that I don't restart. Because they're gonna be angry at me. But I hope you're enjoying thus far what I'm doing. Oh wait, let me turn down the volume. Some might be too quiet. Is that better? I hope it is. I mean, I could have more items, but the time's ticking. Ah. If I lose, I'm just gonna call it a day, call it a run. And just post it, I guess, or something. Or I might just do another one, who knows? This is my content. Who talks it? Ooh. See, this This is good. Just trust me on it, alright? Good. Probably speeding too fast. Some gas, so this is my first time recording, so give me a bit of a break. Give me a bit of a break. Well, I don't know what the frick I'm supposed to do. Yeah. There's nothing up here. There's like 2 crowbars. I don't want 2 crowbars. I don't want a crowbar. I'm mercenary. I don't do high damage and hits. That's sniper's job. I like the cape. Look at the cape. It's so amazing and beautiful. See, I'm not playing any other games. I might not do any other games until I get a better computer. Until then, because my PC is absolutely garbage. I don't think there's anything down there, but there is this. Not a lot of good items. Not a lot of items, but time. Gotta always remember that time. Ugh. I'm gonna go this way. It'd be lame if it was just an 8-minute video, though. There's nothing up here. There's totally nothing up here. Bruh. Oh well. Maybe I go to? Oh, this is the end of the map. Sorry, this, like I said, this is new content. I don't know what to talk about. Ooh, shrine. Well, whatever. I'll make this kind of short. Oh, there's. Are there multiple of them? Oh yes, there is. There is three of them. I just swear there's three of them. Guess one spawned naturally and didn't drop anything. I should pick that ukulele. I'll load a little bit more. I'm a bit ahead of time in terms of damage. Ifrit's Horn definitely helps. I don't think there's going to be anything else. Because why would there? So this is the bridge I was just on. It's not. Huh. I'm a bit slow, that's why I was thinking I should lose that. That's two stacks, yeah. Yeah, I think that was a terrible decision. I'm wasting time. Yeah, that was a waste of time. But that brings money, I guess. So I'll have to get a lot of things done beforehand. Wait, can I? Yeah, I can just walk through here. I need to remember that I can walk through there. Sorry, but this feels lame, I know. Trust me, my dear viewers that don't exist. Where is that teleporter? Well, there it is. Oh gosh. Really sure I was gonna die there, but I guess I'm getting better at the game. I don't know. I can buy this and scrap this. I don't know if it's recording volume at all. Oh, I'm lagging. What? I guess it happens. Well, that's the first of many things I will have to learn. No, I have an ultimate group. What the frick you mean? Oh, fun fact about this game. I believe... Yeah, it's right there. You can actually get an artifact for those who play this game, but nobody's online because everyone doesn't enjoy this game because it's not Risk of Rain 2. It's still a great game. I will never say it's bad. But it's not Risk of Rain 2. I think it's an amazing game. People should play more often, because I feel lonely every time I try and see if there's anyone online. Maybe I go do loot. No, I'll probably die if I frickin' wandering vagrant. Another Prophet's Cape, very good, but like I don't really want to stack it. It doesn't decrease cooldown like Safer Spaces or something. Ooh, that's good. Okay, so I have to get like a bunch of hopeful feathers. Hopeful or Harpo? That's the real question. I am a samurai. Look at me. I'm actually from Japan. Going to Japan lore-wise, but got interrupted because of stupid providence because he thought that we were evil, well, even though we were just passing by. Why do I do this? Instinct, I tell you. Oh. And that's it. I called that. But yeah, that was it. Goodbye.